let's open this and see what's inside. So basically it's a subscription jewelry box. You get 3 quality pieces of jewelry a month for $25. You can actually get your first box with 10% off using my code, which I will let you guys know. Surprise! Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle into spring. Yes, darling, sparkle. So this is the card. Okay, and then they say to share the love of your jewelry and to add them on Instagram. Cool. So you open it up. So it comes in a little cute dust bag. That's cute. I think that's awesome. Cute little dust bag. And you know, they have the extra like confetti stuff. This is my part. See, this is where I would make a mess because I have no sense, but. So the first piece, ooh, I see earrings. Oh, shut up. So the first thing I have are these. We can go ahead and take these off. Oh, honey, I can put those on almost right now. Ooh, they feel nice. I've always wanted like tassel earrings. Oh, honey, I'm gonna try these on now. I ain't playing no game. Yes. Yes, I like that. Those are nice. For the next piece, I feel something kind of thin. Ooh, and see, they have it wrapped up. That's what I like too, to protect your jewelry too. We'll see if we can get this on. Can we get it on? Yes. Oh, that's nice and dainty, darling. And I also really like the fact that they have a little dust bag. So, you know, not everybody has jewelry boxes or places to put their jewelry for that matter. So the fact that they come in these little dust bags and you can just place them in there to keep them safe, that's a plus. So the last item in here, what do we have? Ooh, it looks like, yes, I love this. It's like a light pink. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Girl, is it big enough to put in my head? Ooh. Honey, yes. I love it. Let me bring it up a little bit. It's longer than this, guys, but you know, just so y'all can see it. I really like the pieces. I think this is nice. It's not bad. 25 bucks. And the box comes straight to you. It's a good size box. If you want to get 10% off your first box, use Regina 10 in all caps to get 10% off on your first box. It's like quality. It's quality. So that is at the Glamour Jewelry Box. Okay, thank you guys.